Hello and welcome to the GDS Lab version 2024 tutorial 3.1.9, how to connect common hardware communication parameters. In this video I will be adding 3 pressure controller devices and showing you how to add each type. First we have our latest, a USB connection, which is an ELDPC. Then I'm going to add another pressure controller, which is a STDDPC, communicates via serial connection. And then the last pressure controller is an ADVDPC. All modern devices operate over USB, and some of the older devices operate via serial, and then our most earliest devices operate on IEEE. If you have a device that is not from GDS, please check its user manual and see how to connect it. So in my example, I have all GDS devices, and I have each device type arranged but not connected and communicating yet. So to connect any of them, we need to click on the orange box that shows a picture of the device, and this will bring up a display form of which I can select a controller to connect. This is where you double check the serial number to make sure you're connected to the right device, and then once you're happy you can press OK, then close. This is how to set up communication for a USB device. Then the next type of device is an RS232. Again, we click on the picture and it's asked for the comport. To do this, go to your device manager and go to ports. Here you will see the comports you have connected. If you have lots of comports added, feel free to physically unplug the device and make note of which comport disappears, and then you can plug it back in, and then you should hope that the one you thought disappears comes back, and this will be confirmation that that is the correct comport of your RS232 device. GDS Lab 2024 should automatically pick up the correct settings when you get to this part though, as it should load in with the device when you select it. If you want to double check, you can look in the handbook under this section. If you're using a USB to serial converter, make sure to select the little connection icon in orange too, and then select do not check characters out, otherwise it may report an error when there isn't one. Anyway, that's how to connect an RS232 device. And the last type is the IEEE devices. Click on the orange box again, and then we need to select the primary address within the device. This should already be configured within the device, which you can find in the device hardware handbook, so you can set it to that. And the timeout should always be left at 10. We only change that if we're having problems. And yeah, that's the easiest one. That's how to connect IEEE devices. If you want confirmation as to make sure this is working, you can always add a parameter, for example cell pressure, and then select the software to read it. If it picks up a reading, it's working. If it doesn't even pick up the device, then it's not working. And if it connects and drops out, then the reading will likely go to -1 and turn red like this. So you might want to try again, because there might be a step you might have missed. But anyway, that is the end of the video. This was how to connect common hardware communication parameters. Thank you.